Joel, and this is Zipporah Yummy! Zipporah Yummy! Zipporah Yummy! And today we are going to be baking the special banana cupcakes. Are you excited? Me too. Okay, now these are our ingredients. Flour, sugar, and a pinch of salt, and some baking powder, and some cinnamon powder, and some vanilla powder. And we're going to need 2 eggs and some melted butter. And we are also going to be needing ripe bananas. Now, we better sift the flour. And we'll be needing the sifter. Here is our special sifter. Now, let's remove this one. Put in our flour. This is how we sift. Daddy, the candle. What candle? Now we are done. Now, let's just keep this away. Then we better put in some sugar. Ooh. Now we are going to be mixing it. A pinch of the salt. Now mix it again. Now we are going to be needing some of the vanilla powder. Okay, put it in. Okay, and we are going to be needing some of the baking powder. Put it in. Now the cinnamon powder. It's looking brown and it smells like cinnamon. Come on, Naomi, let's mix it together. Okay, Joel. Now hold. This should be under adult supervision when we are going to be meeting up with the eggs, because it might get really messy. So keep on mixing, and do not put your head on funky food while talking. Better be quiet. Now we are going to be kneading the eggs. After the eggs, we are going to put the butter and keep on mixing. Now we already have put in the eggs and the butter, and you better mix it with the wooden spatula, and this is how you will turn out. Okay, let's keep on mixing until it's right and good. Nothing is right. Now we are going to put in the banana. looking like this, smooth, and you better clean up the water. Now guys, we are going to be lining up these cupcake paper into this cupcake mold. Hello guys, the oven should be heated into 185 degrees Celsius. Carefully. Now we have to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes.
Banana cupcake.
Ow! Sorry.
Kisabi.
No.
Ay.
Ta-da! The banana cupcakes are ready. Naomi, let's have a taste test. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, come on, get that cupcake. Come on, taste it. Naomi, just taste it. Even though it's like this, it's still yummy. It tastes like banana. The inside is really good. Look at rainbow! Now, our banana cupcakes are ready, and have you enjoyed baking with us? Really? You did? Aw, come on, let's see you in the next episode. See you there. Come say bye. Happy birthday.
Smile on me.
Let's go. Achoo! 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 Achoo!